Enhancing the security of your home is a top priority for residents in Pell City, Alabama. One effective way to bolster your home's defense is through door replacement. Upgrading your doors not only improves aesthetics and energy efficiency but also significantly enhances security. Here's how door replacement can fortify your Pell City residence. Advanced locking mechanism. Modern doors are designed to accommodate sophisticated locking systems that offer superior protection compared to older models. By replacing your existing doors, you can integrate high-security locks and electronic access controls, making unauthorized entry more challenging. Local experts, such as St. Clair Lock and Key in Pell City, specialize in installing advanced security features to keep your home safe. St. Clair Lock and Key reinforced door materials. Newer doors are constructed from robust materials like solid wood, steel, or fiberglass, providing enhanced resistance against forced entry. These materials are not only durable but also designed to withstand various environmental factors, ensuring long-term security for your home. Professional door replacement services in Pell City can guide you in selecting the best materials suited for your security needs. How improved door frames and hardware. A door is only as strong as its frame and hardware. Over time, frames can weaken, and hardware can become outdated, compromising security. Replacing your doors allows for the installation of reinforced frames and high-quality hardware, ensuring that all components work together to provide maximum protection. Local professionals offer comprehensive door services, including frame reinforcement and hardware upgrades. JPW Doors. Enhanced fit and alignment. Proper door alignment is crucial for security. Misaligned doors can create gaps, making it easier for intruders to manipulate locks or force entry. Professional door replacement ensures precise fitting and alignment, eliminating vulnerabilities and enhancing the overall security of your home. Experts in Pell City provide meticulous installation services to achieve optimal door alignment. YouTube integration with security systems. Modern door replacements can seamlessly integrate with existing home security systems. Features like smart locks, security cameras, and alarm sensors can be incorporated into new doors, providing a comprehensive security solution. This integration allows homeowners to monitor and control access remotely, adding an extra layer of security. Local door service providers can assist in selecting doors compatible with your security infrastructure. How deterrence through aesthetics. A sturdy, well-maintained door serves as a visual deterrent to potential intruders. It signals that the homeowner takes security seriously, making the property a less attractive target. Upgrading your doors not only enhances security but also boosts curb appeal, reflecting a commitment to home maintenance and safety. Pell City door replacement specialists offer a variety of designs that combine aesthetics with security features. Pella windows and doors. Conclusion. Investing in door replacement is a proactive step toward enhancing the security of your Pell City residence. By upgrading to modern doors equipped with advanced security features, reinforced materials, and precise installation, you can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized entry. Consulting with local professionals ensures that your door replacement project meets the highest standards of security and quality, providing peace of mind for you and your family.